In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted YouTube channel along with the content. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have accidentally deleted your YouTube channel and now you want to recover that permanently deleted YouTube channel, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, click on the search bar, and in the search bar type youtube.com/support. Click on search. At the top left corner of your screens, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it, scroll down and click on the submit a feedback option. Click on next. Now in this box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why you deleted your YouTube channel and why do you want to recover it now. Also, once you have stated down your issue, do not forget to mention your email address also. Once you have stated down the issue, all you have to do is to click on the send option. And once you click on send, within the next 24 hours, your deleted YouTube channel will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.